When a cheating husband's silent treatment drives you crazy, 3 tips to help you rise above. Let's dive in. How to tell if your husband has truly returned. Here are some simple ways to judge if your husband is really back in the marriage. At the beginning, is he still going on business trips and attending parties often? Or is he coming home more regularly? Check if he still has time to spare for someone else. He might say he's back, but only time will tell. Over time, you'll naturally know if he has truly returned to the family. Women care most about a man's attitude after cheating. Does he genuinely regret his actions and want to fix things? That's key. Real commitment and actions. He should not only be sincere but also empathetic toward your pain and willing to invest in the relationship. For example, if he used to stay out late, now he should be spending more time with you. If he rarely helped before, he should now offer to pick you up or help out. If he never used to call, now he should check in regularly. When he wants to come back, you'll see concrete actions from him. Reflection and understanding. What kind of person is worth fighting for and learning to love again? The answer lies in whether he sees the importance of your relationship and genuinely wants to save it. He must also reflect deeply on why he cheated and what issues exist between you two. He needs to understand both himself and the root cause of the affair. If he shows these signs consistently over time and you find no other evidence, it's a good sign that he's gradually returning both mentally and physically. Dealing with internal conflict. Right now, you may be stuck in your own conflicting thoughts. If loves me, why did he cheat? If he doesn't love me, why hasn't he left? If he doesn't love the other woman, why say intimate things to her? If he loves her, what am I to him? These questions lead nowhere because the answers won't fully satisfy you. You're tangled up in your own emotions, which only causes pain. To break free from this negativity, shift your focus to something that brings joy. Rebuilding your connection. Try recalling the good times as a way to let go of your resentment. Maybe visit places you both loved when dating, talk about funny nicknames you used to call each other, or reminisce about shared hobbies and memories like the gifts you gave each other or pets you raised. You can even revisit places where you made memories or take new photos and send them to him, reminding him of the bond you still share. This helps revive good feelings and deepens your relationship. Final thoughts. Repairing a marriage takes time and patience. You can't rush it. Focus on rebuilding closeness first, and once things are stable, you can have deeper conversations. If done right, your relationship can become stronger than before, reducing the risk of future infidelity. That's all for today. Thanks for staying with us. I hope each day brings new insights to you.